In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then hit Screen Lock over here and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Wait 5 seconds. Hit Got It in the pop-up and create your login method. If you made a mistake, don't worry, hit Clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. Repeat it to confirm it and hit Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wanna add a fingerprint right away, you can do that by hitting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now, just hit Cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!